Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the first time I make a video, so bear with me, I'm quite nervous. I'm gonna make this video about my package I just received from Wish. It took about 30 days to get this package, and as you can see it's covered with a thin plastic case, but it seems quite good foamed inside. It's quite thick and robust. You have to squeeze quite hard to make a buckle in it, so it's feels well protected actually. I'm gonna open the package for you and show you how it looks inside. Not the best technique, but it is what it is. Yeah. It's actually really thick and nice. So here we have the baitcaster. It looks quite nice. I don't know if I can pronounce this, but it's a fishing rod from Sougayilang, and it has a little bit of weight on it. It does feel quite nice. They have a magnetic brake. Let's see, and we can open it and how it feels. They have to. It actually feels quite sturdy there, so it doesn't open by itself, I hope. It has a good feeling about it. And this is how it looks like when you open. You have a nice aluminium spool. Everything, yeah, it gives a quite good impression. So you have the magnetic brake there, and the spool brake tightening here, and you have the line adjustment here to tighten and harden how hard it will pull the bait. And yeah, it feels. I have a really good impression of it for the price I gave for the item, and we will continue checking out the rod. Comes with a nice case here. Looks like this. And let's take a better look on the rod. I'm gonna show it a little closer to you so you see it. If we get the sharp picture. Here we have the rod. Now let's try to unfold it to its full extension. I'm tight on space here, so let's see how it goes. I just want to get a feel of how the rod is acting. It folds quite nice at the tip, it's nice and soft. And let's see, it's getting stiffer already, and here you're getting quite good. It's not flexing that much anymore here. And actually pretty decent feeling actually, and not bad for a fishing rod and baitcaster for that price, I must say. So I'm really excited to go and try to fish with this set, and hope you had some use from this video. Thank you for watching, and please write below things to improve on and what your thoughts about this video. I'd like to do more, and if you want to see me trying this rod out and how it feels to fish with. Thank you for watching, bye.